Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Speedway. Inside this video, I'm going to show you guys a combination of indicator that can fetch you $10 to $20 daily. By using this powerful indicator, you can have access to $10 to $20 daily by trading cash and boom 1000. Trust me guys, this is an indicator where all beginners need and pro. It is an indicator that all beginners, they need this indicator, and all pros also. Guys, this is an example of what we are talking about here, and we can see that we have another confirmation here, confirmation here, confirmation here, we have more confirmation here. But let me explain to you guys how I've taken this particular trade. As you can see now, this indicator is a combination of two different indicators together. Guys, as we can see now, we have the 9 that is changing from one particular to another particular 9, which is changing from one color to green color. And we have our histograph inside, which is also from red to blue to what? To green. We can see the histograph from red to what? To green. They are inside. This is what you are going to be checking out. And anytime you have our 9 that is changing from another color to green color, that's the first confirmation. Then the second confirmation is that you have to wait for your green histograph to begin to appear inside. Then from this will be your confirmation zone. Once the green begins to appear, then your closing, which is your take profit time, is going to be your last histograph. You can see that we have many histograph here. So we have the last histograph here that is between outside and inside the box. You can see that between and outside the box. So this is our take profit. Believe me guys, with this particular strategy, it appears up to 40 to 50 times daily. Imagine you are taking this particular profit every day, 40 to 50 times daily. Imagine how much you will have made with this particular setup. Same thing happen here. We also have our 9 that is moving from other color to green color here, and that is the first confirmation. And also is also moving from red inside to what? To green. Immediately the green show up, then you can enter your trade at this particular level. Then your take profit will be the histogram of green, which is the last one inside. You can see that. So that is how to trade by using this particular indicator. To get this particular indicator, all what you need is to check my description below and find my Telegram link there. Message me. It is very advisable to get. This is something that you can get for yourself, and it's going to help you a lot as a beginner. You can see we have another confirmation here. Just always make sure that you go for your downtrend if you are going to be scraping up the market, and if you are going to be using it to catch a spike, you are going to be focusing more on the upper side. So we have our 9 here that is turning to green here, but you can see that our histograph is not turning to green. So this is not the right time for us to enter the market. But if we check here now, we can see that our 9 also changed from other color to green color here. We can see that. But what happened here is that our histograph changed to what? To green. So it gives us that this is our entry to what? To enter. And this is our confirmation entry to enter. And when we want to take our profits, it's going to be our last candle at this particular time. You can see that the last candle inside, you can see that this one has begun to show outside. So the last candle inside is where you are going to be taking your profit every time. That you see this also. Same thing happen here. We have our confirmation at this particular level. We have our 9 changing to green here. We have our histogram. Our entry will be at this particular point, and our take profit is going to be around this point because this is our last candle here. So guys, so that's how this works. Guys, this particular strategy appear up to 30 to 40 50 times daily. Imagine you are taking these profits every day as a beginner, and everything is in profits. Guys, what you just need to do to get this particular indicator, I told you guys that it is very, very avoidable. To get it, you just check the description of this video and you are going to see my Telegram link there. Message me and I'm going to respond to you guys. Thanks.